Hi guys, let's solve this simple question that we have here. We have square root of x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x is equal to x. Looking at this, it might seem a little bit ridiculous. How can square root of x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x give us x? But it is possible as long as we follow the right steps. Let's solve together. Solution. So we have square root of x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x is equal to x. The first thing we're going to do here is multiply these first two values. So putting them in a bracket, you have square root of x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x is equal to x. So when square root of x multiplies square root of x, the square root will cancel out. So we're going to have x multiplied by square root of x is equal to x. So what do we do next? We can just change this to a parenthesis. So x parenthesis square root of x is equal to x. So at this point, let's move x to this side so that all the values of x will be on one side of the equation. So this will be x parenthesis square root of x. When x moves to the left, it's going to change to minus x. It's now equal to 0. Now we can factorize. We have x here, we have x here. So x is common, we bring it out. So this will give us square root of x, because x, square root of x divided by x will give us square root of x, minus x divided by x is going to give us minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, applying zero product rule, we can simply say x is equal to 0 or square root of x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or square root of x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have found out one value of x to be equal to 0. But here we still need to solve further. So we're going to have square root of x minus 1 is equal to 0. So moving minus 1 to the right, the minus sign will change to plus. So square root of x is equal to 1. So in order to eliminate square root, we need to square both sides. So square root of x square is equal to 1 square. So square root and square will cancel out to have x is equal to 1 square. But 1 square is the same thing as 1. So x is equal to 1. So this means the two values of x that satisfies this equation is x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 1. So let's confirm if our answer is correct. If you substitute x is equal to 0 into this initial equation, we're going to have square root of 0 multiplied by square root of 0 multiplied by square root of 0 is equal to 0. Square root of 0 is 0. Multiplied by square root of 0 is 0. Multiplied by square root of 0 is 0. So when you multiply 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0, it will give us 0. This means that we are correct. Let's see the second value of x. We have square root of 1 multiplied by square root of 1 multiplied by square root of 1. Is it also equal to 1? Square root of 1 is 1. Multiplied by square root of 1 is 1. Multiplied by square root of 1 is 1. Equal to 1. So 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Multiplied by 1, 1. So at the end of the day, we can see that this also is correct. So this is a simple process of solving this Olympiad maths. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.